Is your car taking too long to warm up? Well, here's a little trick. Alright, so I'm gonna do another vlog style video. Why? I don't know. Why not? So, hopefully the e36 just starts. I'm not gonna touch anything. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Yeah, I forgot that you're not supposed to touch. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Alright, so got the packages, and now I'm on my way to UPS or USPS, whatever. In the e36. Yes, it drives. It's just, it would be frowned upon to drive it in said condition, and I won't get into that. IYKYK, but yeah. Anyhow, running some errands today, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do after, but maybe I'll see if I could go look at a car or something. I don't know, but yeah, I don't know. It's literally a pointless video because I'm in between either getting a date. You know what? I don't know, but I'm in between finding a daily and selling the E92 M3 and buying a swap projector swap, like another M52 that's already done up for the E36, because I want the M52 that's in here to get taken out and be rebuilt and bored and stroked out and all that as a spare motor to use in the future. Like, technically, I could just build this one and do it, but I'd much rather buy a project that's already done and swap everything in, so it's just like it's a simple type thing. Like, you just drop everything in and go. I don't want to have to, like, build an engine and wait and tune it and do all that. I just want something that I could throw in here and go, and then build something on the side over time that can make, like, a lot of power and everything. So, yeah, I'm still waiting, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. I really like the sound of this car, but it just needs to open up a little bit more. I'm really trying not to buy an exhaust, and I'm trying to save money to just get a parts car, but it's just like, I hate waiting. I still might do it, because like I could grab like an exhaust, like a mid pipe or something, just to open it up a little bit, and I could still use it afterwards. But it's just like, I don't know, I shouldn't, because it's like a waste of money, because I'm gonna need a bigger exhaust anyway. But it's just like, damn, bruh, damn, why I gotta wait? But yeah, I'm really gonna try to get some progress on this car, because I need to do something. I need to drop the front, because this, like, that's just not it. Like, absolutely. Like, granted, it's not fully it doesn't matter if I can put a finger in there, it's wrong, unless it's something else. But if you can put a finger in your wheel gap, wrong. That's wrong. Cars should not have that. But I'm waffling, as they say in UK, so I'm gonna get back to you guys in the next clip, yeah? Accidentally stopped recording, but yeah, so I've been taking out the this thing so I can test the doubled in and whatnot. Well, not the doubled in, but the doubled in tray or faceplate, whatever, which goes, hold on, let me push this stuff back. it goes here. Sorry for the bad camera angles, but so yeah, it goes here, but like you probably have to just like trim it a little bit, but it's like the guy was telling me like it's a really snug fit, so it just is gonna go in. But basically it goes like this, then you put the doubled in here, but you have to cut this part out and everything like that. So right now I'm just getting it ready to do so, because I'll probably just order a doubled in suit and then get like a nice one later on, or see if one of my friends has one laying around. But I want to see like how much clearance I have back here and everything like that, so I can get something that will work. But yeah, this wasn't it. I'm gonna relocate the climate thingy to down here. Oops, something popped out. But yeah, I don't know. I'll probably see where it can go. But yeah, I just have to arrange all this stuff so it works. But yeah, I'll get it to work, and then I'll get back to you guys. And then when I do the doubled in, then I'll actually show you guys like the install. But to be quite frank, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, so it's not a guide. But yeah. So this is basically how it would go. I'm also considering like, hold on, because oh wow, the torch came off. Let me see if it works. Okay, well, the torch doesn't work, but I've also been considering routing this to the glove box or something, because I do know it's possible, because you can like, my hand's kind of big, but like you can just like reach back here, like if you remove this stuff, and then you can just like make a hole and put the stuff to sit in there, which will be kind of cool, and put like a tablet or something down here. I don't know yet, maybe in the future or whatever, because for right now this will be fine. I just need to cut this centerpiece out and then put the doubled in. But what I ultimately would love to do is trim this whole piece and put like a nice waterfall style like Tesla dash. That'll be fire. Like, yeah. But I wish somebody made something like that, something that will just work for the BMW if you cut this stuff out. But yeah, this will be really sick. Like, I've never did a doubled in an E36, but the first E36 M3 that I ever saw like back in the day had a doubled in. Actually, it did have two doubled ins, that was sick. I really like that. And back in the day, that was like a super huge flex. Like doubled ins were like $2,000 for like the nice ones and everything like that. But yeah, it was like a Titan silver on black E36 M3 coupe, two doubled ins, 5-speed manual. I forget what wheels it had. But yeah, it was super sick. It was some BBS wheels though, but yeah, it was sick. But yeah, that's probably it for now, because I just really wanted to see, like, just wanted to move these things to the right location. I may just trim this thingy and put this down there. I probably will just do that, because I don't see why not. Like, it's gonna be a lot of work to get another one, so I might as well just cut it, because there's like a line right here, so I'll probably do that now. But yeah, I don't know what else, but I do have this Furtech steering wheel to put on. I'm really trying to figure out if this steering wheel is like straight. I don't know, but yeah, it's temporary anyway. It was like $30 or something, but yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys in the next clip or whatever. Yeah, I recorded this before, but it was just way too long, so I'm gonna condense it. So this is on the topic of all the takeovers and all this stuff, and how people are saying that's ruining the car community and car culture or whatever. To be quite frank, it's not. This stuff has been happening since the first modified car has ever, like, it's just been happening forever. This has been a thing. It's been the same thing in bike culture, been the same thing in, like, bikes, like bicycles, and bikes like motorcycles. People have done this in literally anything. That's just life. So, yeah, like, all right. So, as I was saying, that stuff like that has been happening since the dawn of things on wheel culture. Like, people have been doing takeover type things. People have been mobbing down the streets and doing whatever. Sometimes people crash. Sometimes people die. Sometimes the cops get mad and do whatever. Like, shit happens. Like you can go to a party and it'll get shot up. You can go to the mall and it'll get shot up. You can go literally anywhere and it can get shot up. So like these type of things, like just saying, oh, it's car culture, it's destroying car, that's not the case. Like, granted, it sucks that people are getting hurt. It sucks that people are crashing. It sucks that people are out here doing these type of things because, like, no, it doesn't suck that they're doing that type of things, but it sucks that they're doing it without the proper skill set to do it, and bad things are happening. Like, it's one thing if they're doing it and then like a cop chases them, they get away and nobody gets hurt. Cool. It's one thing they're doing it, nobody gets hurt, everybody likes it, and it goes online. Cool. When people get hurt, that's the issue because people don't know. One, people can't be bystanders because they get too close, and two, people don't have the skill set. They're just whipping a car. One is too strong for them, or two, they just can't control whatever car it is, whether it be a Miata or whether it be a Hellcat. But it's just another thing. What is killing car culture is clout chasing, and it's clout chasing in the sense that a lot of people are joining the car community for clout, and it's not because they're passionate about it. Like I spoke about this earlier, and it's funny that I just watched the Phil S2K, aka Phil M3, aka Highly Official video, and I was actually talking about this like a couple hours ago on my boys, and I mentioned the same thing. Like a lot of people, like there's a song by what's his name? I forget his name, but do it for the love, I don't do it for the lights, blah blah blah. Chronics, there we go. That's the thing. Like a lot, like if you're joining a community, you should join the community because you're enthusiastic and a fanatic about what that culture is. You shouldn't join something because it's clout. It's one thing if you're doing it for business, like if you're like good at something and it's like, all right, I'm gonna join this community to make money, then whatever, like that's life, get it how you live. But if you're simply doing it just to chase clout and you don't care for it, but you know, like, oh, maybe this girl will like me, or oh, maybe I'll have some more people want to hang around with me, whatever. Like, I don't support that, but because, like, you know, I love cars and I've always loved cars, so I'm in the car community. I love fashion. I've always loved fashion, so I'm in the fashion community. I love technology. I'm in the technology community. All these things are expensive. If I didn't like it, I would not do it because I have to work to do it. Like I would rather, if I wanted to collect stamps, I would collect stamps. It's probably a lot cheaper. If I wanted to find pet rocks outside, I'd find pet rocks outside because that's definitely cheaper. The stuff that I like, I don't do it for clout because it's not cheap, and I don't have the lifestyle I don't have the money to afford a lifestyle where I could just do something for clout. Especially something so expensive. Like, I don't got it like that. So, the thing is, if you're going to join the car community, do it because you love it. If you're going to join any community, do it because you love it. I don't care if you want to collect Beanie Babies. Collect Beanie Babies because you love it. And you want to be the best Beanie Baby collector ever. Like, don't just do it because it's cool. Like, granted, it's, I don't know, but just be passionate about something. What's destroying every community or every subculture is people joining it for clout. That's just it.